Hey gang, what we have here is a Dewalt auto ratcheting bit holder. It's been disassembled. It's actually been more than just disassembled. It's been disassembled and I've made some modifications to it. I'll show some of the modifications in a later video so you can see why those were made. And we're going to put it back together in the next couple of videos that are coming up. Just want to make sure that you can see this piece real good, especially right around here and here. Those pieces right there were pretty integral to what was going wrong with it before. It's actually a very shady product in my opinion. It won't be when we put it back together because it'll probably run for about 20 years and never have a problem after that. Okay? Thanks much. Cat. Alright. Bye now.